His Excellency Ram Nath Kovind, President of the Republic of India, addressed a joint meeting in Parliament on Tuesday. The address is part of planned activities of a 4-day state visit to the island by the Indian President that began on Sunday, May 15. On Monday, President Kovind paid a courtesy call on Prime Minister Andrew Holness. The meeting included the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding which will provide for training through Jamaica's Foreign Service Institute.
I stand here today not only as a visiting head of a state, but as a representative of a fellow nation with a shared tradition. Madam Speaker, yesterday I began my visit with paying my obeisance at the memorial of the Right Excellent Marcus Garvey. His pioneering leadership against injustice and discrimination has inspired generations across the globe, giving dignity and a better life to millions. Members and friends, in India, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, revered by the people, dedicated himself for the uplift of the downtrodden and eradication of social evils. He introduced the provisions for social empowerment in the Constitution and was rightly called the architect of the Indian Constitution. I feel grateful for the gesture of Jamaican government to name an avenue in Kingston after Dr. Ambedkar, which I inaugurated yesterday.
Since touching down on Jamaican soil, President Kovind also visited National Heroes Park in Kingston, where he laid a floral tribute at the shrine of national hero, the Right Excellent Marcus Garvey. He was accompanied by Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Alando Terrelong, First Lady of India, Savita Kovind, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, and Permanent Secretary in the Ministry, Denzel Thorpe. President Kovind's visit to Jamaica is a first for an Indian president over the 60 years of relations between the two countries. He's scheduled to depart the island on Wednesday, May 18.